everyone. This is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Let me do ultra wide here. I am at my wit's end with the Flavor Delight Aprium. You can see them on the ground. So I'm picking a lot of them and I'm going to be giving them to neighbors. And I don't really like making jam too often for the reason this is extremely healthy, delicious, and nutritious. And if many of you know, when you make jam, you put a whole bunch of sugar in there. You have to, or it just tastes sour, unfortunately. And to me, that's like, yeah, it's good for a preserve, but it made something healthy turn to something not so healthy because of all the sugar. We've eaten so many off of this tree already. I'll show you a few more. Some of them grow right on the bark like Java the Kava. It's weird with this Aprium. Another angle. They're just all over the ground. Referred to, and I would agree to, this is a 70, what I believe, I have to maybe do a little more research, but it's 75% apricot, 25% plum heritage. So, but really it looks like an apricot. This is the best tasting Aprium, Flavor Delight Aprium, but this is the best tasting apricot you've ever tasted in your life. I don't know how to explain the taste. Just imagine, you know, if you have an apricot tree like I have a Baleham, or if you have a Royal, which I believe may be the same name or the same variety, Patterson, which isn't that great, but anyways, but sometimes you get one of those apricots, you pick them off and it tastes delicious, like 10 times better than the others. That's how all of these taste. This is like the creme de la creme of apricots. So Flavor Delight Aprium. You just see it just hangs like crazy. I did not, well, I thinned a little bit, but not too much. You can see when I'm going to pan up. Let me see, ultra wide. I'm going to pan up for you. One moment. You can see from here. Watch this. Now remember, I already ate almost half this tree already. I already ate half this tree and still getting all this production. And I had a few of you comment and actually DM me on Instagram and stuff like that you've just planted the Flavor Delight Aprium. You will not, one didn't ripen. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. This is where previous year the branch broke. I'll put a link in the video right now of this. The branch broke, and I showed you very quickly how you could fix that. And see, you can see it's let me zoom in. You see it's healing over. This is a half paint, interior latex paint, and half water. Had a lot of comments actually about I'm polluting the world. One of them said, shame on me as a Moses, that I'm polluting the world. You could just paint it with something else, so you don't need to paint it. And you know, everybody has their opinions, but I'm telling you, if you don't paint, this would have been full of borers. I would have lost this whole limb to borers. You'll have holes everywhere or cracks from the sun. So now look, it's healing. If I didn't paint it, it wouldn't heal. And I don't let any of the paint drop. If any of the paint drops, I pick it up. I don't want to be stepping on paint and then walking on my house. So thank you for your concerns about me polluting the planet. So if anybody has any questions, let me know in the comment section, or join me on Instagram, where you could just direct message me like you're texting me pretty much, by the same name, Zaatar Gardens. Happy gardening, everyone.